In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your picture on Facetune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Facetune application. Once you are logged into your account, you will end up on the home page. Now you can tap on the galleries icon at the top left corner and then select your photo. After selecting your desired photo, you will be taken to the edit menu. Now from the edit menu, you can simply scroll over to the right side and you will find the backdrop feature. Just tap on it and now you will be able to choose from various different backgrounds for your image. Just tap on the various different styles that are available and you can tap on the apply button to finalize your backdrop. You can also upload a picture to add as a backdrop for your photo by tapping on the photo option. Once you are done, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and then you can download your photo from the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your background on Facetune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.